Hey everyone, check out the Coleman ComfortSmart Big and Tall Cot with Mattress Pad, perfect for camping and lounging. This cot features an elevated design with a ComfortSmart coil suspension system and a thick foam mattress pad for superior comfort. Its robust steel frame supports up to 300 pounds and fits campers up to 6 feet 6 inches tall. The cot conveniently folds to fit into most car trunks, making transportation a breeze. It includes pull-out side tables with cup holders for easy access to your essentials. Plus, the leak-proof air mattress ensures you stay inflated and comfortable all night long. Whether you're glamping, tailgating, or enjoying backyard relaxation, this cot has you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.